Hey guys, today I want to show you a little hack on how to make your wiper blades perform better and last longer. Now, wiper blades, when they get old, the rubber on the blade itself, it gets hard. And when it becomes hard, it doesn't work as well. And as you can see, it makes noises. You see, it doesn't slide as smooth. And you hear that noise. And it just like bounces all over. So what you want to do is basically, I'm going to show you how. The first step you need to do is buy a can of heavy duty silicone. We're going to be using this to basically clean the wiper blade, and you're also going to need a rag. You need a clean rag to clean off the wiper blade. Now you can wait till it stops raining, of course, if you don't want to get wet. You can also remove the wiper blade and clean it indoors, or what I'm going to do is just clean it right off the on the windshield by placing the rag underneath and then spraying the wiper blade with silicone, and we're going to wipe it off. So what you're going to do is place down your rag underneath the wiper blade, then spray the wiper blade. After you sprayed it, you want to pick it up and clean it, and once you're done cleaning it, put it back down and spray it once more with heavy duty silicone, and that's to lubricate it, leave a nice film lubricated. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now, the reason why this works is right here. This is heavy duty silicone, but what it basically is, it's a lubricant. So as we can see right here, heavy duty silicone is non-corrosive, so it's not going to damage the rubber. What it basically is going to do is coat it and lubricate it. And as we can see, it says it lubricates and eliminates squeaking and binding caused by friction. So basically, this is going to reduce friction, and it's going to make the wipers work smoothly across your windshield, stopping all that noise. So it basically cleans. It's a film that cleans. It's odorless and highly resistant to water. So that is key. Being highly resistant to water, it's not going to be removed by the water, so it's going to stick on the rubber and it's going to last a very long time. Now let's see how much it improved. Now, before, the wiper blades would jump on the windshield and make a lot of noise. Now we're going to see the difference. Check that out. It's nice and smooth. Even though there's no water on the windshield, it's smoothly going across. It won't leave any streaks. It's nice and clean. And that's how you want wiper blades to work. I highly suggest you do this even with new wiper blades, because when it's new, you don't want the softness of the rubber to go away, especially with the sun. So you want to coat them in heavy duty silicone so it protects the rubber and it doesn't get hard and dry. That's what makes wiper blades go bad. When it's hard and dry, the rubber will break off and your wiper blades will no longer work just like they're supposed to. But there you go, guys. Give it a try. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel.